TypeError, a bytes-like object is required, not str when writing to a file in Python 3. I very recently migrated to Python 3.5. This code was working properly in Python 2.7. After upgrading to 3.5, I'm getting the TypeError, a bytes-like object is required, not str. The error is on the last line, the pattern search code. I've tried using the .decode function on either side of the statement and also tried. To no avail. I was able to resolve almost all Python 2 to Python 3 issues quickly, but this little statement was bugging me.
You open the file in binary mode. This means that all data read from the file is returned as bytes objects, not str. You cannot then use a string in a containment test. You'd have to use a bytes object to test against TMP instead. Or open the file as a text file instead by replacing the airbay mode with R.
You can encode your string by using .encode. Example. As the error describes, in order to write a string to a file you need to encode it to a byte-like object first, and encode is encoding it to a byte string.
Like it has been already mentioned, you are reading the file in binary mode and then creating a list of bytes. In your following for loop you are comparing string to bytes, and that is where the code is failing. Decoding the bytes while adding to the list should work. The changed code should look as follows. The bytes type was introduced in Python 3, and that is why your code worked in Python 2. In Python 2 there was no data type for bytes.
You have to change from WB to W. 2. After changing this, the error disappears, but you can't write to the file, in my case. So after all, I don't have an answer? Source: how to remove M. Changing to airbay brings me the other error, io.unsupported operation, right.
If you want to see more, please consider written.